This is Matthew with Another World Terraria, where I teach and inspire you on the topics of rare plants and artistic nature displays. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing from Buceplant. One of the plants in this order is a species that I've been wanting for a long time. Two of them are impulse purchases, and the remainder of the plants are going to be for a special project that I just started. That project is mostly going to be under wraps until it's complete and ready to be shown, but I can share a teaser about it. I have this 29-gallon Paludarium in which I keep my Japanese firebelly newt. This photo is from about 5 years ago when the tank was in its prime. It's been set up for about 7 years now, and to be honest, I haven't kept up on the care like I should have, and it has declined severely. Just a few days ago though, I suddenly got a flash of inspiration and I decided I'm going to revamp the entire build. I'm going to be cleaning it, replanting it, and adding some new tech. Subscribe now and click the bell icon to get notified of future updates on this and other projects. Alright, let's get this unboxing underway here. This is the plant that I've been wanting for quite a while now. This is Paludarium mini. So this is an aroid. It is a rheophyte, which means that it is adapted to growing in extremely fast-flowing, strong currents of water. It has these hydrodynamic leaves that are very linear, and it's got some strong roots to grab onto the rocks, so the water flows over these leaves and doesn't affect the plant. They're adapted to that kind of thing. So that's a cool little plant there. I'm not sure how big it gets, but it's pretty nice. Here we have Anubias barteri striped. They call it striped because it has these indentations on the veins that creates a striped appearance to the leaf, and possibly also because the veins underneath have kind of a striped appearance as well. It's a really attractive plant here. This is a nice specimen. It's a good sized plant. I don't think it gets super huge compared to some of the other Anubias, so this is kind of a medium size one. The barteri striped Anubias and this plant right here are both the impulse purchases that I made. This one is Anubias minima, which is a species that, as far as I know, is kind of a medium size one. Doesn't get super huge. They have a elongated kind of thin foliage. It's got a relatively long petiole here up to the leaf, so it gives it kind of a tall, thin, graceful appearance, and it has some interesting undulation on the foliage as well. By the way, I got my Buceplant swag that they include in the order. If you've never ordered from them, just so you know, they typically throw in like stickers and stuff, and here's a little customer service card. Next species is Anubias nana. Pretty familiar with that one, but I got a lot. That's right, there's 10 of these Anubias nana. These are going to be used in the 29-gallon Paludarium rebuild that I was telling you about earlier. Up next is some Java moss, which will be used also in the Paludarium rebuild. And again, I got a lot. I got 3 large cups of Java moss. And looking through this, I see that there's various other species of moss mixed in, which is totally fine. I don't mind. It'll be kind of cool to see what grows and what different things come out. It'll look natural. But you may be asking yourself, why Java moss? And for a couple reasons. Number one, it's one of the cheaper mosses, and I wanted to get a lot, so I didn't want to spend a fortune. And number two, I really like actually the look of Java moss. I just think it looks really good grown immersed, like on logs and stuff. I did have it in the Paludarium originally, and it looked great. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, check out some of my other unboxing videos as well, and be sure and subscribe.